Hi and welcome to Scholars Tutorial. I'm Jane, and in this video we'll be talking about password recovery. Now, this is the way in which you can actually recover your account in a situation whereby you have forgotten your password or maybe your username. Now, what you have to do is this: you have to first of all know that remember the email that is actually linked to that your password, to that your account. Now, in this situation, let's say we are supposed to log in with a particular username, and the particular username in this case is a marker ego at yahoo.com. And it's unfortunate that we can't remember the password. Then if we click on this login button, it's going to prompt us with this message. Now, what it says is this: unable to log you in. Username and password does not match any existing account. At this instance, I have to make it clear that when ever you are trying to log in, even if you get any of those two parameters correctly, either the username or the password, it will not actually give you a particular message saying that either one of them is actually correct, the other one is wrong. No, it will tell you that those two data doesn't match any account. When you are faced with this particular dilemma, what we do is this: remember the email that's actually linked to this particular account. What you do is this: you click on this particular link here. I forgot my password, and it will present you with an interface. And this interface is it says that we should submit the email address that is associated with your account, and an email will be sent to it with password recovery instructions. The email that happens to be sent attached, the email that happens to be assigned to that particular username and password is a Ken Madden at yahoo.com. Now click on submit. It comes with this particular instruction telling us that the email is sent, and we can check your email for password recovery link. Now the email happens to be this, that is this is Yahoo Mail, and Ken has logged into this account. This email has been sent just a few seconds back. Now, and it tells us that it's Scholars password recovery. Now, the instruction in the email is this: that we should use this link to change your teacher account password. Now, clicking on this link is going to give us an interface whereby we can continue our work. Now, we have to, let's say, it tells us that this is the username, that is a marker ego at yahoo.com, and this is the email that's linked to it, and the person is actually your Yunus Anasiru. Now, let's say we want to change that into Amaka. We can say Amaka, let's say 1, and then Amaka 1. That is, it's now you have to repeat the same email so that you can really be sure of what you typed. And we'll click the submit button, and it comes up telling us that Yunus Anasiru, your password has been successfully changed. So we can go on to log into our account with the new password, that is a marker 1, and the username is amaka at yahoo.com, and the password is amaka 1. So click the enter button, and voila, the account has been logged in successfully. That is a Yunus Anasiru, you have been logged in successfully. Thank you for checking out this tutorial. We look forward to seeing you in the next tutorial. Make sure you sign up on our Scholars. Goodbye.